What's up, Internet? John here from NextGen. Got a quick DIY video for you today. Something that was requested. How to make acoustic panels. Step 1. Buy acoustic foam. We were lucky enough to have this foam donated to us, which is super awesome, but you can get your foam at a reasonable price from a variety of places. Foam by Mail is one that ships to Canada without any border fees, which is pretty awesome.
Step 2. Secure your foam to foam core board. The pattern doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's foam after all.
So we're attaching the foam to the foam board using this stuff here. Foam board glue. The reason we're using foam board glue is because other industrial adhesives may actually degrade the foam. That's something that happens. And this stuff is made specifically for doing this. And since we have foam attaching to foam board, then you want it to work out pretty well, and this is pretty much ideal. So where do you get foam board, Camille?
Dollarama.
All right.
For $1.50.
Nice. The foam boards stick out a little bit on the top. Is that for any particular reason?
Yes, that's so that we can nail it to the wall from the top. And you're not going to see that because if you notice, the foam wedges that we have are bigger than the foam core board. So they're going to cover up any gaps. When you're done, you'll have a nice panel like this that you can attach to the wall. Let this dry overnight, preferably, because you don't want that to fall apart and get gunk all over your hands.
Now, we're using nails, but you could use screws, nails, or command strips if you don't want to damage your wall. Lots of ways to mount it, as long as after you mount it, it can't rattle against the wall. So make sure it's nice and tight and it isn't going to move.
Alright, so these panels have been drying overnight, so they're ready to be mounted on the wall now.
Step 3. Attach your foam boards to the wall.
So, mentioning earlier, this little strip here, this is going to get covered up by this part. What we're doing, push it nice and tight together, and we're putting a nail up here, and one that's in the middle that you won't see.
Anyway, those 3 nail points are what's going to keep it tight to the wall. And now we're using drywall nails. Insert photo of nail here. Those will grip the drywall nice and tight, and they have enough of a head that they won't pull through the foam. Step 4. Stand back and admire your sexy new wall. Step 5. Record some super cool music and enjoy life. So that's it for this video. Hope that helps you make some epic acoustic panels for your own use. Until next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you have sales-related questions, please visit our website at nextgenguitars.ca. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos.
Step 5. Attach your new acoustic... Step 5. Step 5? That's not 5, it's 3. Boy, I suck at this.